I've been seeing a lot more school supplies being delivered across all platforms. On Walmart Spark, I've been delivering lots of notebooks and pencils and paper. And on Shipped, I've been seeing a lot of Target orders, which indicates, you know, school supplies being shopped for and picked up and needing to get those deliveries completed. So this is just another opportunity for us drivers to get out and make that money. A lot of customers might have in the past gotten their delivery supplies from, you know, maybe a Walmart or a Family Dollar, Target, maybe went in and shopped those items themselves. So now with this new DoorDash partnership with Staples, this is going to increase accessibility to school supplies for not only people who are not able to get to those bigger department stores and get these supplies, but it's going to also create an opportunity for the many dashers out there on the road who are already doing food delivery and shopping delivers. Now you got another type of delivery that you can make some money with, and you can pretty much count on this happening every single year across the board in the country with all communities, especially communities with, you know, a higher number of children that will be going back to school. So I think this is a great thing. Good job, DoorDash, for partnering with the right people and getting the word out, because this is going to impact everybody. It's going to impact DoorDash sales, and then, you know, they like to make their money. It's going to make the customers happy because now there's one less thing they need to worry about being stuck in line for at the store or making time to go to the store for. And it's another opportunity for dashers out there to make that money. So I'm recording this video with my front-facing camera. I normally don't even use the front-facing. I always use the rear-facing camera. But I noticed that I got Ultra HD 60 on the front-facing camera too, so we're gonna be using this one for this video. I just got a Roadie order, $41 and some change for 14 stops at Walmart. Now, I haven't seen any Roadie offers on at my local Walmarts in I don't know how long. But Walmart Spark is dry because they got this banging incentive going on. So I turned on Roadie, boom, it's orders at my Walmart. So this order got 14 stops on it. And if I'm not mistaken, you get a $5 minimum tip on each order you do, no matter what, on Roadie. So I've been looking for one of these orders with a whole bunch of stops and that at least give me, you know, 2 to 1 if possible, but at least 1.5 to 1 miles to money ratio. When this does that, it's $41 for 22 miles. It says it's gonna take me 2 hours to complete it. The time right now is 1:25. So actually, it say 2 hours and a little bit extra because it says I'm gonna be done with it by 3:40. So maybe 2 hours and 15 minutes. But no orders out there. I need to get these wheels rolling. And this is the kind of order I've been looking for on Roadie. So we finna get this thing knocked out. Now I can't show no offer details. I'm gonna try to show like a little dollar amount or something, but I'm not showing no screenshots of the Roadie orders because I seen in the terms that they don't want you showing no parts of the app on any, you can't share it at all. So I'm not taking no chances when it comes to Roadie, but I will show you as much as possible. Let's go ahead and wait for these 14 orders to come on out of this Walmart. Got our Roadie order in the back. Tell me why it's 3 flat screen TVs on this mug. That's crazy. And it's like a whole bunch of other small items, all one item stops. It's cool. And I just learned something today. One of my buddies who does Walmart Spark only, he told me that he actually had this order first and he got an Impala. So he couldn't fit all 3 TVs in there plus all the items safely. So he had to drop it. So I picked this order up on Roadie, and I find that very funny because I always wondered how they decide how to route the orders. So this order was on Spark at first. Then they wasn't able to get it done in a reasonable time. So they rerouted it to Roadie, and now I got it. And I'm about to get a $5 guaranteed minimum tip on each one of these orders. And I would not have gotten that through Walmart Spark. Boom, order number 1 dropped off. And it's the same easy process as Walmart Spark. You just confirm your delivery, verify where you put it at, take a picture, and you're on to the next one. Alrighty, guys, we got that Walmart Spark order we was waiting for. This one came in at $17 for 6 miles. And that's perfect because it's the last one I needed towards that incentive. And we also got another incentive going on. Alrighty, first things first, let's get that. And we're gonna go back and grab this one tub. The one on the right is theirs, and the one on the left is for my next customer. Looks like we only 5 minutes away from our next delivery, so this is perfect. This is a $17 order going 6 miles, and once I complete it, I get to add an extra $32 to my tally. So that's gonna be perfect. I already got that Roadie order complete. $41 base pay, $5 additional tip on every single order. So that's gonna be like what, 110 bucks right there. And then this 17 bucks gonna put me at 127. And then the extra 32 is gonna put me at 157, 58, 59. Let's get it. Then if I can get 2 more orders done after that, I'll get an additional 18 bucks. Let's get it. Not including what I actually make on those offers. Order number 2. Let's go. This is what I'm talking about right here. I finally hit 50% on Walmart Spark, right? Took me probably about a full month of grinding. On and off, on and off. Finally got 3 of my 4 ratings in the green. Now, after doing all that hard work, now I'm starting to finally see orders like this. This is my next round robin order right here. Banger order. Next order on the tally, $35.95, 8.3 miles. Let's get it. These are the types of orders I used to see before all of these recent changes on the Walmart Spark. And I'm telling you, this is a direct reflection of all the work I've been doing, raising my acceptance rate, accepting those offers, and they still been profitable offers, but accepting those offers when they send them to me with the timer, getting them ratings going in the right directions. Man, check out the tip on this offer, guys. Look, this offer has a $27 tip on it. That's just like being in a large order program on DoorDash. Like, that base pay means nothing. That tip is all the money right there. That's where you're making your money at. Now let me start getting 2 of these per hour and we finna be jamming. Alrighty, so now we are dropping off part 1 of our Walmart Spark delivery. These 2 customers both tipped really good. So let's take it on up to the front door. And remember, guys, speed is the name of the game. First one done, on to the next one. I think it's gonna be close too, because this order had low delivery miles on it, so I think this next one gonna be really close. Alrighty, guys, we just made it to drop off number 2, and this one is pretty big, so I'm probably gonna make 2 trips. 1 trip, drop the net off right there. Oh, gotta love it when those good old Walmart bags like to rip. They definitely do. Alrighty, we got all of that. Grab these chips. And we're gonna take this all to the front door just like this. If I can hold my camera straight, that is. Set those down first. Yes, sir. Now we just need 1 more Walmart Spark trip, and that's gonna be an additional 50 bucks in our earnings. Let's go. Walking in Walmart right now, just got that last order I needed. $25 shopping delivered, 5 miles, 12 items, let's go. So I went up in there, and tell me why this was a duplicate order, guys. And I don't get to shop it and deliver it, but I still got that last order counted towards my incentive. So I just got an extra 50 bucks. Let's get it. Look, everything ain't gonna work out all the time, but as long as I still get my incentive, that's the main thing, because I didn't have to go in there and shop. Did have to wait a little bit, but I didn't do no work. I just waited, and I got an extra order counted towards my incentive, so that's a win for me. Let's go.